Hey guys, I know I usually make really lighthearted, goofy, fun art videos. I've been putting off making this video for as long as I possibly could. Basically, the videos that you guys have been watching, the last couple weeks I have filmed like way in advance because we are tearing down my art studio today. It feels really weird to be saying that. I feel like I owe it to you to tell you guys that because we've had so many good memories in this room. I can remember years ago when I was still really shy and afraid to show my face on YouTube. I did a video where I looked at my art supplies under a microscope.
Ha! Dude, it looks like a creature coming out. I can assure you this is like some dried up ink. Oh, it looks like flesh, blue flesh. Doesn't it? Doesn't it?
Why would you say that?
And it just reminds me of like a muscle right now. Doesn't it remind you? This is so cool. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't even handle this.
And we just geeked out together and had such a fun time. And I feel like that started a really special journey for us. And it broke the ice, and I just felt such a connection with you after that video. I don't know what it was about that specific video, but that was the one for me. And ever since then, you know, we've had this journey. We've painted on tons of different Starbucks cups. We've tested weird art supplies. We've painted on giant canvases, carved our art into stamps, made fuzzy paintings with wool. It's been a really good couple years in here. You got to watch my husband and me completely make over this room, and so much has happened in this room, but to everything there is a season. So this season is coming to a close. And that's a really bittersweet thing to say, but that's just the truth. So since you guys have been on this journey with me for years, I wanted to take you on the journey of tearing down my room as well and packing everything up. This just feels so weird to be filming. Like, I've been putting this off because personally, I think I have not been ready to confront the reality of just packing everything up. But yeah, it is time. This was a good chapter. This was a very good chapter. But now it is time to pack this chapter up and see what's in store for the future. I think this wall here is what's most bittersweet to tear down because just putting up this wallpaper was such a fun day. And that memory with my husband holds a special place in my heart. Sorry guys, I'm a really sentimental person. But truth be told, I really don't care about the wallpaper anymore. I'm not a huge fan of it. But the Starbucks cups and everything, I don't know, this was just special. So to see that go is kind of sad. I left my last art project here so you can see what everything looks like. This is my work area. The last video I filmed in here was decorating Starbucks cups. Here's everything over here. It's just so weird seeing it all for the last time. But I suppose we should get started.
This stuff in here yet, but that couch is not leaving. It's staying here. Oh, because Carissa's getting it. Okay. So there's this thing.
Oh yeah, that's
Pretty bulky, and this thing's like
cool.
really heavy.
It's like what I got at work. With
thing. Yeah.
It goes up and down.
And there's
And
this.
Right. So, yeah, maybe we should do this one next.
Yeah, I feel like that should probably.
It's good to have all the big stuff out there.
These 4 things on each side detach, because that's where the motor unit we put in. Oh yeah.
Should we roll it up and put it in the thing?
Let's do it.
What was that? Wow, it's like $1 million right there. $1 million murders. It's so heavy. It's not heavy. Oh gosh, that's sensitive.
Okay.
Should we take this with it?
Yeah. Sorry, that was my sample. It wasn't me.